if you look on the front page of your reference packet, you're going to see this section right here, which talks about standard pressure and standard temperature. We're going to start by looking at standard pressure. So we have all these numbers right here, and all of these numbers are units of pressure. So we have ATM stands for atmospheres, kPa stands for kilopascals, mmHg stands for millimeters of mercury, and then we have torr. So these are all just different units of pressure that we can use, and what we need to be able to do is to be able to convert between these different units of pressure, and these are the numbers that we're going to use in order to do that. So let me show you a couple examples. So let's say we wanted to convert 2.5 atmospheres to kilopascals. So we're just going to set up a T-chart just like we normally would. And we're going to take our given and put it in the first spot. And just like any other time we're doing a T-chart, we want those units to cancel. So we're going to need atmospheres at the bottom, and the units we're converting to will go on the top. And that's when we're going to need to look at our reference packet and see what that conversion factor is for kilopascals to atmospheres. So going back up here, we have 1 atmosphere is equal to 101.3 kilopascals. So those are the numbers I'm going to fill into my T-chart. 1 atmosphere is equal to 101.3 kilopascals. Those units cancel, and all we have to do is multiply across the top and divide by the bottom. So the answer we should get is 253.3 kilopascals. So we can use the same process to convert between any of the units. So what if we wanted to convert that 253 kilopascals to torr? And we're going to set up our T-chart, take our given. This time our given is 253.3 kilopascals. We're converting to torr. Means we're going to keep our kilopascals on the bottom so that they cancel. Now let's look back up here at our conversion factors. So this time we have 101.3 kilopascals is equal to 760 torr. So now those are the numbers I'm going to fill in. 101.3 kilopascals is equal to 760 torr. And again, I'm just going to take those numbers and multiply across the top. So 253.3 times 760 and divided by 101.3. And that gives us an answer of around 1900 torr. So that is how you convert between any of the pressure units. The only other thing we need to know is to convert between temperatures. So standard temperature is measured in Celsius or Kelvin, but we always have to use Kelvin. And the conversion between Celsius to Kelvin is to just add 273. So if we want to have, let's say we have 20 degrees Celsius, and we want to convert that to Kelvin, all you have to do is add 273. So 20 degrees Celsius plus 273 would give us 293 Kelvin. Okay, sometimes you might have a negative number, like, what about negative 10 degrees Celsius? Well, if we add 273 to negative 10, that's going to give us 263 Kelvin. So converting between Celsius and Kelvin is pretty easy. So those are all the conversion factors you need to know for gases.